I worked in my past a lot with TrendMiner, and the idea was to get rid of the blind spot. So you're not knowing what you're not knowing, of course. So TrendMiner helps to clear that a little bit. What do we learn? We learned a lot about our processes. We were thinking that we were quite good in optimization and something like that, but there's always a step more you can go, and TrendMiner helped, of course, a lot of it. Of course, it gives you a lot of opportunities when, for example, the brain drain. If employees leave your company into the retirement, or for sure change the company, you set the knowledge. So everyone new can learn quite faster. Also, you can correct the way. So we did also batch production, and if you lost the way, so the batch duration gets longer, or the path is wrong, then you can go for sure for the email.
What did you like most about the tooling from a functional point of view?
I'm not quite sure if we want to talk about this. It's just like a PlayStation or something like that. So sometimes at the evening, you go for it, and then it's 10 o'clock, it's 11 o'clock, and it's 12 o'clock, and you still are mining the data, your data from your plant, and just receiving new ideas, new information, or simply new improvements. So you have to take care that you can close your laptop at the end of the day, but it's a cool advantage, it's a cool software, and it's quite ergonomic. It's quite easy to step in, also because of the procedure from TrendMiner, the starting procedure, the hands-on session, something like that. But also it's quite easy to hold the pace. So sometimes you have software, if you out for a month or something like that, it's quite harder to get back again, and TrendMiner works quite well. We will see when I will use it again, maybe. Then it could be a year over, but I'm quite sure it works. Yes, of course. We talked about this already in our past. I think TrendMiner sets a new standard, just like an ISO standard or something like that. TrendMiner helps for the blind spot, something like that, so the efficiency rises while working with TrendMiner, and that's for sure a good reason to step into TrendMiner and go for it.